Dear students, the previous video we have learned about first unit of employability skills, that is general orientation on this competitive examination. In this video, we are going to start topics. That is, the first topic we are going to learn is number series. Let's get started. Solve the questions on number series. Every student must know some basic things. If you know these basic things, it will become very easy for you. What are the basic things you should know? One is know the basic mathematical operation. That is plus minus into divided by. Things manually. How to do these calculations manually? That is without calculator. How do you calculate this with calculator? That matters a lot. Okay, this is important. Then you should know squares until 20, then cubes until 10, finally prime numbers until 100. This is extremely important. Let's get started. Squares, I have shown it on the board. Square is nothing but, for example, 1 square means 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, square is 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square means 2 into 2. Okay, likewise you should know until 20 square. This is extremely important. This is a minimum. You can learn until 25, that's great. If not, at least till 20 square, fine. Why this? Because when you look at number 36, directly remember 36 is square of 6. When you look at 49, you should remember that it is 7 square. Like this, when you look at 324, you should remember it is 18 square. 289 means 17 square. 169 means 13 square. This is how you should read the numbers in the question. That will make it easy for you. Okay. First thing, squares from 1 to 20. Next, we should know what are cubes from 1 to 20. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, again 1 into 1. Same way, 2 cube means 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so we should do cubes until 10, that is the minimum. When you look at the number 343, you should recall it is 7 cube. 260, you should recall it is 6 cube. Okay, and so on. Then prime numbers 200. Until 100, we should know the prime numbers also. That is extremely important because almost every competitive exam in India will have the questions on prime number. Okay, what is a prime number? Number which is divisible by 1 and self. The primary definition. Divisible by 1 and itself. Fine. So prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like this until 97. So when you look at number 67, you should recall it is prime number. When you see 31, it is prime number. 23 is a prime number. Like this, you should be able to recall. Okay. Now let's get started with some sample questions. Which number comes in the place of question mark? Which number comes in place of question number 1? Here the question starts. 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. What next? Now, how do we solve this type of question? In number series, quite simple. We will just observe what is the difference. For example, 4 plus 3 is becoming 7. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. So now we should observe what is the difference. Plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. That is 3, 5, 7, 9. The next difference should be 11. So 28 plus 11. The answer is 39. This is how we are going to look at number series. Basic thing, look at the difference difference in consecutive. You should check the difference in numbers, the consecutive numbers, and try to see what is the trend. Let's go to one more question. 1, 9, 25, 49, question mark, 121. We need to find out what is this of question mark. Now, can I observe? 1 plus 8 gives me 9. 9 plus 16 gives me 25. 25 plus 24 gives me 49. So, when I look at the difference, it is 8, 16, 24. That is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So, what should be next? It should be 8 fours are. Is 8 fours are 32. So 49 plus 32 is my next number, that is. Okay. So this is by following the conventional method, the normal method. If you observe the numbers carefully, they are actually square numbers. That is, 1 means 9 means 3 square, 25 means 5 square, 49 means 7 square. When you look at here, it is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, which means next should be 9 square. But 81 is the correct. So, students, if you know the squares, this question becomes very easy. Okay, so likewise, examination also, you may have some questions related to squares. Okay, next one. Observe the difference carefully. Is 6 plus 5 plus 50 plus 20. So when I look at the difference, it is plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. Finally, it's going to be plus 25. 56 plus 25. Then is that. Okay. Question number 4. 34, 45, 56, 7. Look. Just 4 plus 11 gives me 45. Plus 11 gives me 56, 57. So plus 11 is the trend here. So add plus 7. Right? So this question can also be solved just by observing 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. So next should be 7, 8. Straight away, just by observation also we can solve this. Right? Next question. 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. What is the next number? When we observe this carefully, this number is actually getting divided by 2. That is, first number 2, when it is divided by 2, 1 gets divided, becomes 1 by 2. 2 becomes 1, 1 becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 again, if I divide it by 2, becomes 1 by 4. We got the logic. It is the denominator divided with, means the number is getting divided by 2, or so say the denominator is getting by 4 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8 is the correct answer. We got a decimal here. How do we solve? Many of them are having allergy to decimal questions. In that case, what we can do? Observe this decimal, after decimal point only 1 digit is quite common. Ignore that decimal is there. Ignore that there is a decimal, then you can see that 1, 15 plus 8, 23 plus 8, 39, which plus 8 is the logic here. 9 plus 8, 47. We know that there is one decimal point, and then after that only one decimal. We'll put back the decimal. Comes 4.7. So 4.7 is the answer. Let us solve some previous examination questions. This question is from Staff Selection Commission examination. So 620, 70. Let us look at it. So 620 plus 50 gives me 70. 670 plus 52 and 722 plus 54 7. When you look at the trend, it is 50 plus 52 plus 54 going to be. So when I add 56, 776, I get 8. You don't need to add this completely. Just observe the unit digit. Observe the unit digit. Plus 612. Observe the answer with unit digit 32. Option correct. 832. While looking at unit digit, many a times you can a lot of time just by observing the digit. In this case, unit digit of 776. Also add both 6 12. So unit digit should be 12. When you look at the unit digit of all the options, next one 17 plus 20 plus 4 21 plus 9 is equal to 30. 30 plus 6 plus 20. So when I look at the difference, it is plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 20. Basically, 4 means square, 9 means 15 means. Basically, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, next to square, which is. So I need to add 71 plus 36. 71 plus 30. So when I look at the unit digit, 36 it is 6. 71 it is 1. 7. My answer is 7 options. Let us solve some questions on IAS exam also. This question is from the UPSC 2023 examination. That paper. Look at the question. Choose the group which is different from others. There is a number group. The groups are given. We need to find different from others. You can pause the video and think for it. Just think for the answer. 17, 37, 47, 97, 31, 41, 53, 57, 71, 73, 79, 83, 83, 89, 91, 90. So when I look at the numbers, it's very much evident that all are prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are prime numbers. 41, 41, 53, 61. Prime numbers. 71, 73, 79, 83. Prime numbers. This one, this one, this one. These three are prime number. But 91 is not a prime number. 91 not prime. This is not prime number. Therefore, option D is the correct answer because this group has one not prime number. All of them have all the numbers as prime numbers. So option D is the correct answer. This is from the UPSC examination for IAS IPS. Okay, now look at this number. What is the value of X in the sequence? 2, 7, 67, 1202. Then observe the unit digit. 272. Option. Why is it so? Because the logic is 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 3, 21 plus 1. 22 into Same wise, if you follow 202 into 3 is 606 plus 1. Option C, 607 will be the right answer. One more question, we will solve it from you. A simple mathematical operation in each number of sequence 14, 18, 20, 20, 30, 30 results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. Which one of the following is the next number in the sequence? When you look at the numbers, they have given a hint already. This sequence is with respect to prime numbers. No, the nearest prime number is 13. Next prime number is 17. Next prime number is 19. 19 plus 1. Next prime number is 23. Plus 1 is 20. Next prime number is 29. Plus 1 30. Next prime number is 31 plus 1 32. So I got the logic. It is prime number plus 1. That's what they have done. After 31, the next prime number is 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. Option C. 38 is the right answer. Isn't it easy? Dear friends, it's quite easy, right? If you know the basics, this is definitely good. Okay. Let's move to some questions from the question bank now. Okay. Get the question. What should come in place of question mark in the following numbers? This is how question starts from here. 5, 13, 29, 16. If you look at this, we can feel that there is definitely going to be multiplication plus addition or subtract. Can I say 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13 into 29 into 2, 58 plus 3. So basically, we are multiplying then adding, right? In 3. Following the same logic, 250 plus going to be 5 not the right answer. Next question. 16 becomes 32, very easy. 32 becomes 35, it's plus 3. 35 and 40, it's increasing. Now let us see the logic. 16 into 32. 32 plus 3, 5. 35 into 4, 40. 140 plus 5 is 1. Next is 145 into this may be 7. Plus 7 gives. So when I observe the trend, 2 plus 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 5 to 6 plus 7, 8. Well, this 877 into 7016. Dear friends, you don't have to multiply the entire 877. As I told you a hint, multiply the unit digit. 8 sevens are 50. Unit digit. Observe the options with only one option. Select option A as a correct answer. 5, 10, 35, 161. The difference between these is 5. Is right. So when we look at this, this is 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the next it is going to be 5 to the power of 5. That is, if I multiply the each difference with 5 and so 5 to the power of 5, I get this 25. 5 I need to. Okay. When I look at this, I have 625, right? So 5 into 6 definitely more than 3000. 5 into 6,000 into 25 also I have, right? So 3125 it will be. Observe the options with more than 3000. This is less than 3000. cancel. Less than 3,000 out. 8,900 out. I have only one option with more than 3,000. Definitely this is the correct answer. Don't have to worry about it. It's going to be correct answer. And this I will get the correct. Addition and check also. Otherwise also, you don't have to multiply completely. You can just observe. You know that it is going to be more than 600 into 5 more than 3,000. Only one option with more than 3,000. Let's select. Next question. 196 plus 9, 25, 39. Observe here carefully. 196 plus 4, 200 plus 9, 9, 209 plus 25, 234, 34 plus 49 plus 121, 40. So we got the logic that this is square is added, 5 square is added, 7 square is added, 11 square is added. So that 9 square is not added here. 11 square, then 13 square is added. Finally, 17 square is 2. Observe here carefully. 12 plus 8. Option D is the correct answer. Here it is square of prime number. That you need. Square of prime number. Question number 4,725, 1,050. Look at this. It is decreasing drastically. The numbers are decreasing drastically, which means you can just observe that they are going to be divided by some number. When we check how they are divided, first number is divided by 4.5. Second number is divided by 3.5. Third number is divided by 2.5. Don't know how to get this. Quite simple. 4,725. 1,050 divided by 300 divided by 120. Likewise, if we finally we get 80 divided by 0.5. 80 divided by 0.5 means option B 160. Correct. Next question. 325, 255, 2545. Something is happening here because the numbers are in drastically different. Right? Look at this. Actually, 3 into 10, 30 minus 30 minus 5. Next one is into 10 plus 5. First we did into 10 minus 5, then into 10 plus 5, then again into 10 minus 5, again into 10 plus 5. So basically here 10 plus 5 to 10 minus 5. This is the logic. Finally it is 10 minus 5, we get 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, which is 24, 48, 144, 5, 7. Again getting multiplied. You observe carefully. 24 into 48, 8 into 44, to 4 we get 576, 5 we get. When I look at the trend, it is into 2 into 5, which how do I do it? Do I really need to multiply 2880 with 6? No, not necessarily. Observe the unit digit, it is 0. 0 in all of them, no problem. Next digit 8. 8s are 48. We know that. 8s are 48. This 8 has to be there in the 8 is 8. 8. Then A is the right answer. No need. Why? Next one. 5, 5, 15, 20, 75, 5. Here, first number 5 into 1. First number 5, 3, 5, 5 is the 5. Then look carefully. Here, what is happening? Each number is getting multiplied with consecutive add numbers. That's why 5 is becoming 5, which means 5 ones are 5, right? Then 5 is becoming 15 is becoming 75 because it is into 5. Then 75 into 7 becomes 525. 525 into 9, this 9 becomes 4007. Next number should. I will give you a trick how to multiply with 11. Trick for you. How to multiply. 4725 is there, but here write 4 first number, write 5, that is the. Now look here, add these two numbers, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 1. Can be correct answer. I hope this video was helpful to you. You may note down my contact number, my WhatsApp number on the screen. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel ROIT Academy, or I'm going to upload the videos on the topics of employability skills. I request you also to download the NEZA app. It has information on various examinations, aptitude tests, mock tests. All courses are available on Play Store. Request you to download this app. So, thank you so much.